Hey, this is Sell This Now. Every day I'm looking for new products to sell. So here's my top winning products of the day. Our next product are the nail art transfer foils. Easily achieve salon quality nail art with zero skills. And this product is perfect for beginners. Just stick and press these transfer foil to get stylish, eye-catching chrome effects on your nail tips. And it falls under the beauty niche market. And we also think that this item has a broad market base. Now this is made of durable premium material. It's waterproof, scratch proof and can last up to 4 weeks. And many other similar products were winners before on the market. And finally, the Facebook ad is getting a lot of engagement with more than 4,000 likes and it's been shared more than 1,600 times. Now the selling price for the nail art transfer foils is $17.97, whereas the product cost is only 71 cents. Shipping will set you back $3.60, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.66. Sell this now! Our next product are the car chrome stickers. Now this is a problem solver. It protects your doors. It's easy to apply and easy to remove, and it protects your paint from scratches and wear. And the car niche is a very passionate market, and it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, and many other similar products were winners before on the market. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 4,000 likes. Now the selling price for the car chrome stickers is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $2.49. Shipping will set you back $1.63, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.87. Sell this now! Did you know that the most important part of a successful campaign is your video ad? BANDSOFFADS is your go-to place for high quality, fast and efficient video ads for your dropshipping products. They are the best in the industry. That's why they're recommended by so many top successful e-commerce entrepreneurs. From the video script to the eye-catching thumbnail, BANDSOFFADS will create everything for you for an affordable price. So stop losing time and money. Send your video ad campaign to the next level. Click the link in the description to get 10% off right now. Our next product is the adjustable pump bottle sprayer nozzle. This spray nozzle is a perfect fit to any 1.5 litres or 2 litre size beverage bottles, which can be used for your indoor-outdoor gardening hobby and/or disinfecting. And it's the perfect product to sell before and during the summer season. Simply rotate the tip of the nozzle to quickly adjust the water spray into a stream or mist to meet your needs. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Its portable size makes it comfortable and convenient to store and use. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 2,300 likes. Now the selling price for the adjustable pump bottle sprayer nozzle is $21.97. Whereas the product cost is only $4.08. Shipping will set you back $2.11, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.78. Sell this now! Our next product is the Magic Gap cleaning brush. Now this is a problem solver. It makes it easier to clean your windows and doors. It's an evergreen product, which means you can sell this all year round. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And we also think that this item has a broad market base. Now this is not a brand new product, and it has been a winner before on the market. And finally, the Facebook ad is getting a lot of engagement with more than 3,400 likes. Now the selling price for the Magic Gap cleaning brush is $13.97, whereas the product cost is only $1.08. Shipping will set you back $2.42, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $10.47. Sell this now! Our next product are the 5 pieces tortellini mold. Now you can make ravioli and cookies in different shapes. It makes it easier for you to create delicious fresh ravioli and pasta at home. And it falls under the cooking niche market. and we also think that this item has a broad market base, and it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, and many other similar products were winners before on the market. Now the selling price for the 5 pieces tortellini mold is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $1.48. Shipping will set you back $2.98, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.53. Sell this now! Our next product is the FERN Fairy Statuary Bird Feeder. She's lightweight but sturdy. She's just the right size for a garden. This statuary is beautiful and all your neighbors will notice it. This is a graceful statue. It's got a subtle beauty about it. The colors of the statue are natural and the way the colors are applied to it are discreet and tasteful. Personally, I find it a bit scary, but you can't decide what your customers are willing to buy. And we also think that this item has a broad market base. And we also think it has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on AliExpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this. And it's perfect for a garden statue niche store since there are a lot of garden statues being promoted this year. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 10,000 likes. Now the selling price for the FERN Fairy Statuary Bird Feeder is just under $30, whereas the product cost is only $12.19. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $17.80. Sell this now! What if I told you that you were leaving money on the table? Did you know that you can get a percentage back for every order you make from AliExpress? Introducing Backit. Backit is the easiest way to take profit of the AliExpress cashback system, and it's totally free. You just have to register, install their Chrome app, and now every time you pay for your orders, you will get a percentage back. No BS, no hassle. I've been using their service for months now, and so should you. I mean, free money. Hello? Click the link in the description to start earning your cash back. You'll thank me later. Our next product is the Tattoo Brightening Cream. This is a non-scented, non-greasy everyday lotion that is ideal for people suffering with dry skin and exceptional at keeping your ink in check long after the first time you sat in the chair. It helps increase the brightness and vibrancy of all tattoos immediately and over time. And it falls under the tattoo niche market. It rejuvenates and sharpens the edges of work that may have experienced sun damage. But be careful when you sell skin products, and it's perfect for a one-product store. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 1,000 likes. Now the selling price for the Tattoo Brightening Cream is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $1.71. Shipping will set you back $3.68, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $14.60. Sell this now! Our next product is the mini capsule keyring tool. Now this is a small tool that is easy to use and very handy. You can scratch, peel stickers or split pills, and it can be used to open cans. It falls under the survival hunting niche market, and we also think that this item has a broad market base, and we also think it has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on AliExpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this. Now the selling price for the mini capsule keyring tool is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $2.32. Shipping will set you back $1.12, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $16.55. Sell this now! Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as I release one video every day with my selection of winning products. You don't want to miss that. Let me know in the comment which product did well for you, and see you tomorrow for another episode of Sell This Now.